Alright, I just arrived over here to the train yard this morning and thought we would check out what's going on. So about an hour, sun's only been up about an hour. I see 5 engines altogether, 1 on the track and 3 others back behind, 1 running I should say, and 3 others back behind. Cool. We're filming here just for the heck of it. Not that it's all that exciting, but I heard them about 6:30 this morning on the radio. I monitor the railroad channel for this particular area, and I could hear them. I thought I better take a little trip over here and see what's going on. I can't tell from this angle what the configuration is on the engines. If they're all nose to tail, or if they're nose to tail, back to back, and so forth and so on. And I don't really know the reason why they would do that. You know, rather than run them all nose to tail, like all forward, and then have some reverse. I don't know exactly what the reason is for that. And there must be some purpose. So if there's any railroad guys out there, comment down below as to why they do that. Sounds like they might get ready and start taking off. Likely they're gonna go backwards from here. You can see way back behind there, you can see tons and tons and tons of cars back there that they're probably gonna be hooking up on. That's where all the activity is, way over there. And as I had mentioned before, I had actually researched, did some Google searching, and here we got 4 engines there lined up, 3 nose to tail, and the last one is tail to tail. Sounds like only 1 engine is actually operating. Yeah, see, I can see now. They're actually turning to go back there and maybe pick up another engine. There's another engine. The 5th engine is back there. And maybe they're connecting up to that 5th one now. If they need 5 engines, they must have one heck of a long train that they're going to be moving around today. Oh, and while I was walking the opposite direction, the train started moving. They're going back now, kind of into their little parking spot. So maybe there's not going to be any train fun and games today. Let me know down in the comments if you like seeing this kind of train activity. I like coming over here and filming it. It's just a short little drive from my house, but this is the only place in this area where the trains are gathered. As you heard that Learjet type thing flying over. Looks like he's going in for a landing, not too terribly far from the airport now. But let me know in the comments if you enjoy Seeing this kind of stuff with the trains. And as I said, this is the only place where they gather on a daily basis. Of course, they go up and down the tracks hauling freight, and trains come in all the time from that direction and the other directions, but I have absolutely no way of knowing when they're going to be passing an area other than right here, and I just have to take a chance and come over here and hope for the best. But if I could figure out just exactly when the trains are moving through, and I don't know how I would do that, they do travel over those mountains to the past, and I could drive up to some areas there where it'd be really interesting to see a big freight train pulling through the mountains. And it sounds like they're heading this way again. So we'll see what's going to happen here. Hang around here too much longer. Here they come. So you can see the one guy signaling back behind there. He's behind the trains now. Likely they're gonna start going in the opposite direction and disappear completely out of my sight. I can't go down there. I wish I could, and hang around where all those freight cars are at, but there's no access point, legal access point that I can find. There he goes. He's signaling to do something, the guy with the little flag. And now they're going backwards again. Yeah, it looks like they dropped off one engine. Okay, they're down to 2 engines now. So they disconnected 2 of the engines and left them back there. And now they're on a different track. So now they're going to pull them all in there. And that looks like the end of the activity for now. They are probably going to be surfacing. I'm watching these birds here in the foreground. They're probably going to be servicing them there. Those birds don't seem to be too upset standing here. Of course, they're a good 15 feet away or so. Okay, well, let's see if these birds will come right up to me if I stand perfectly still. So that guy's gonna go over there and change the switch. Alright, he's heading back to where the engines are at. So it looks like they're going to be parked there for a while. Now I got something a little more interesting here. That's birds. Oh, I moved. Okay, well, I guess that's going to be it for the trains, and the birds aren't going to get too much closer to me, so, oh well. That was fun for a few moments. We got to see a couple engines up close. I think I will try to find, if I can do some Google searching or search for the railroad, specific railroad here, and see see if they have a schedule of when big trains come in and out. That guy's getting kind of close to me there. Birds don't usually get that close. All right, that's it. We'll head back to the car and go back home for a while, and hopefully go do some hiking tomorrow. But I'll do some train research today and see if I can find a schedule. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.